I'm Alex. Welcome back to the channel. On this video today, I'm going to be taking my unorganized shed here and turning it into this, using nothing but leftover scrap pieces of wood from previous projects. Please make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks, everyone. Alright, so I got the space cleared enough to be able to work here easier. Grabbed a couple scrap pieces from the pile, put a little 5-degree angle on there so when I put them up on the wall it's not just straight. So when I'm hanging stuff on, it will have a better grip onto the wall, be a little bit less likely to fall off. So yeah, it's shed, it doesn't need to be beautiful or anything, it just needs to be functional. Right there should do it. That's a tough spot, y'all. Alright, so that's 4 screws in each side without any support right here. Yeah. It feels decently strong. I'm not sure if it'll actually support me or not. Yeah, it's pretty strong. Yeah, I weigh over 200 pounds and it's holding me. Probably wouldn't hold me there forever, but it's holding 200 pounds and there's not gonna be 200 pounds worth of tools hanging off of that. So I think that'd be good to do the rest of the tools there. Cool. Alrighty, we're getting there. Just gonna make a few more of these hanging racks for the rest of my tools on this side over there. Sure would be nice if someone could just come along and, you know, finish it. Oh, cool. Open it up. Alrighty guys, we are done. And I'm not gonna lie, I think it came out pretty good. Didn't quite know how it was going to turn out. I was basically just feeling my way through that, seeing what worked, seeing what didn't. And yeah, I think it came out pretty good. If you don't remember what it looked like before in here it is. And here she is now. Yeah, it's night and day difference if you ask me. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. And it's definitely functional. I think it's awesome. Yeah, that's going to be it for this video, guys. Please make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks, everybody. Have a nice day, and I'll see you guys next time.